making his way to the scene. He is Mundo Mack.
I bet this kid was not alive when this song came out.
He wasn't.
But you went to go get one. How'd you wind up with two?
Because I am special.
You special, right?
Ha ha ha, funny.
I figure that's your short bus sitting out there.
Hey, don't be telling people I rode the short bus when I was little. Real sensitive about that.
Mundo getting on to your fans out there.
Mundo, man. You know, I think I'm not like this here. He tells that woman she needs to shut the hell up and sit back down. You're just judging her because you wear a man. That's racist. Okay, this song's growing on me.
You don't want to run people out of here right off the bat.
Ooh.
Hey, Mundo! Hey, Mundo! Hey, what happened last time?
Y'all make some noise. Yo, Lizzy Mundo Mack may have his hands full here tonight. I've heard a lot about this Lizzy Rain here at Cowboy Cove. You heard anything?
Second generation. Let's see what she's got. Let's see if she can. Yeah, that sounded.
This is a poor little girl. It's even.
I mean, I wouldn't be talking. I don't know if you're allowed either.
He's older than
This song to ride this ride. Here we go, folks. Right here. Mundo Mack made his debut last week. I wasn't here. Y'all missed me. I know y'all did. Don't act like you didn't. Oh, nice. Ooh, nice shoulder tackle.
Lizzy Rain almost getting a pinfall there.
Hey, oh man, I'm depressed.
I mean, what's this going to do for Mundo Mack if he loses here tonight?
Well, I would be embarrassed because, you know, that would set men back another 50 years or something.
Better watch it. She may throw you in there after this.
Oh, I think he jacked her jaw right there. Oh, not a shot right there. That might be it. Ooh.
Mundo kind of regretting running that mouth, I think. That's what I'm saying. You're running your mouth. You better be careful, Cole.
Well, you know what they say.
And I know you got your little band of cheerleader bird law running around, but I can't protect you all the time.
It's the hottest selling shirt. Ask anybody.
You guys are the only one buying it.
I didn't buy it. There's Mundo right there. That's, anybody have a future in this business? Right there. Trying to ruin her debut. Oh, there it is. That could be it. Or two.
I thought Mundo said in the back he was going to make short work of this. I mean, it's going on what, 2 minutes now?
Ah, man, no, he was speaking Spanish. I didn't understand him. Mundo Mack right here. You might need to stay on top of things right there. There you go. Good job.
Come on, y'all, get loud. Get behind Lizzy. I hear you get louder.
Come on, no. Oh, behind that right there.
He pulled her hair.
Hey, well, she ain't disqualified him. I'll allow it. Oh. Get behind this kid. Look at how talented he is, folks. Yeah, Pinkville is one of the worst places in Tennessee. Oh, right in the throat.
And now that's against the rules, not pulling hair. Yeah, lit a fire up under Lizzy there. Watch this, Cole. Watch this.
Oh, man. Oh, we got a crossbody up there. Oh, that was close.
I thought that was it.
She's got some fighting spirit. I'll give her that.
He may have to use one of those bird law shirts as a tissue after this match.
Oh, you don't disrespect Burlaw, man. Where have you been anyway, Bobby Slam? I haven't seen you in like 3 years.
I've been around.
I would be telling people that, Al. Oh, that was beautiful. Mundo right there.
I think the fans are kind of getting to it. Making a crucial.
You know, these fans are not working hard. I would not be distracted by that. Stay on her, man. Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's a beautiful X Factor out there. Oh, that was.
I think he's crying, Cole. I think he's crying.
No, he's not crying. Come on, Mundo. Win the match so we can play your song. Oh. Oh, we got some bad intentions here. Oh.
Bad news for
That's got to be it right here. Go ahead and get ready to ring the bell. Wait a minute. What? Hey, that was 3.
that was only 2.
You sure?
And how are you cheering for this guy? I mean, he's fighting a woman, but I've got a lot of respect for Lizzy Rain stepping in the ring with a guy. I mean, she's holding her own. You got to admit, Cole.
Hey, I already gave her due. But the truth is that she was to give her the Mundo Mack. And Mundo has got a little extra experience on her. Oh my God. I think she lit him up. What did you do, bro?
Oh, watch this.
Uh-oh, what is this? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this crowd right here. They love this.
That's got to be it.
Oh. That's got to be it, folks, right there. Oh, what's she doing right here? Uh-oh.
Come on, y'all, get loud.
It's your first match, don't. You shouldn't be taking high risks this soon in your career. Oh!
What do you think about it, Cole?
I'm impressed. I think that's what I said about the future not actually being good hands.
Maybe she don't get corrupted by bird law.
Burlaw is the most over thing out there.
Give it up one more time for Lizzy Rain! Somebody better check on Mundo there.
Impressive debut, actually, right there. Now that was a damn bar burner.